Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CS Pro users. Tutorial on how to use ValueSet.sort function. Sometimes we need to display the names of the respondents by code or by label. For this, we need to use ValueSet.sort function. Let's explore the logic. Let's start with declaring the name of the value set called respondent underscore names in the global section. After entering the complete list of household members, proceed to enter the PID and name of the first eligible member into question 21 and 22 respectively. In case of the first respondent declines, enter the details of the second eligible member into question 23 and 24. Who qualifies as eligible members? I have established the criteria based on the relationship being son-daughter, brother-sister, or grandchildren with ages ranging from 18 to 32 years. We will be writing the logic within an on-focus procedure for both question 21 and 23. After on-focus, on the next line, we will call clear function by using dot notation. It means clear all values from the value set. If we will not do so, every time when we get focus on question 21, it will create a list with duplicate information. To avoid this error, I will use clear function with the value set name. To get a list of household members, I will employ a for loop. After the for keyword, use the record name roster with a where condition to get a specific list of household members. To satisfy the condition, use question 6 for relationship and question 4 for age. As previously mentioned, eligible members can include sons, daughter, brothers, sisters, or grandchildren, which correspond to code values 3, 5, and 8. To specify the age bracket, use the colon symbol to denote a range of ages from 18 to 32 years. On the following line, I will call an add function to add the first eligible member based on the where condition. I will pass two arguments, question 2 for the name and question 1 for the PID, separated by a comma. This loop will continue to execute until the condition becomes false. In our scenario, there are only 4 eligible members, so this loop will execute only 4 times. Following the for loop, employ the sort function to arrange the list in order. Now it is time to proceed to display the sorted list. Use the setValueSet function, providing the item name first, followed by the value set name, separated by a comma within the parentheses. The $sign is a short way of referring to a data item if used within that data item's procedure. To get the name of the selected member in question 22, place the syntax within the post-proc statement of the question 21 procedure. Now execute the program and observe the output. At this stage, you will see the sorted list displayed. It is worth noting that the list is sorted by name, even though I have not specially instructed it to do so. When we use the sort command without any specific instructions, the default behavior is to sort the list by name. If we include the phrase by label within the parentheses. It also signifies sorting the list by name. However, if we want to sort the list by ID, we should use the term by code within the parentheses. Let's examine the results by using by code. Run the application again. At this time, the list is now sorted by code. Additionally, it is important to mention that the list is sorted in ascending order by default, whether we use by code or by label. If you desire to sort the list in descending order, simply use the descending keyword before by code or by label. Save your application and execute it once again. This time, you will observe that the list is sorted in descending order based on the code. If we employ by label in conjunction with the descending keyword, the list will be presented in descending order based on names. One more thing, if we use only descending keyword, it signifies the instruction to display the list in descending order by name. Let's examine the outcome in question 21 and question 22 when the first respondent is selected. The data will be arranged in alphabetical order. To achieve this, we either used by label within the parentheses or leave the parentheses empty. For instance, we will choose Khalid as the initial respondent. Execute the application. When we select first respondent Khalid, it will exhibit ID 4 in question 21 and presents Khalid's name in question 22. And the cursor will be directed to question 23. If we return the cursor to question 21, you will notice there is no duplication of names. This confirms that our code is functioning correctly for questions 21 and 22. Now press enter again to move on question 23. The same logic will be used in question 23 as used in question 21. However, a slight adjustment is necessary in the question 23 logic. When the cursor moves to question 23, the same list will be displayed. Nevertheless, our objective is to eliminate the first selected respondent from the list presented in question 23. For this, I will use remove function to remove the value with the specified code from the value set. To achieve this, employ the remove command with the value set name, and within the parentheses, provide the value source from question 21. Simply type question 21 and you are set. Now execute the program and observe the outcome. As a result, you will find that the name Khalid no longer appears in the list for question 23. However, when you navigate back to question 21, Khalid's name will appear. I hope that this tutorial have proven valuable in explaining the process of sorting and selecting respondents by using ValueSet. For further information, please consult the built-in help resources in CS Pro, specifically within the ValueSet Object section. Keep learning and goodbye.